Google has completely shaken up the AI video creation space. It's constantly rolling out new ways to make VEO 3.1 available to everyone for free. So far, Google has introduced more than 10 different ways to access it. But in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 methods that let you use VEO 3.1 completely free. And with these methods, you can easily create up to an hour of video content every single day. This is VEO 3.1 Free Access, Part 3. In the previous 2 videos, I shared even more methods, and you guys absolutely loved them. Every method I'm going to show you today is completely legal, so there's nothing to worry about. And chances are you've never heard of most of them before. And one more thing, I'm not going to mention Flow AI anywhere in this video, so without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the first method. Open Google Chrome and search for Veo AI Free. Click on the very first website at the top. You'll land on a page like this. As you can see, it clearly says that you can generate unlimited videos here without any sign-up or usage limits. The same thing is written again in big bold letters just below. There's also a demo video on the side that you can check out. Along with VEO 3.1, you can also use several other powerful AI tools on this platform. Now, to generate videos with VEO 3.1 for free, click here and select VEO 3.1. A page like this will open. Here you can generate videos, create images, and even generate master prompts. But for now, we're going to focus on video generation. For that, we'll need a good prompt. So I asked ChatGPT to write one for me. I told it which platform I'd be generating the video on, how many seconds long the video should be, and all the important details it needed to keep in mind. After that, ChatGPT generated a prompt for me. Now, professional users almost never use normal prompts. They use JSON prompts instead. So let me show you exactly how you can generate those too. Now, if we scroll down a bit in the same ChatGPT conversation, you'll see that I asked it to shorten the prompt because it was way too long. I also asked it to convert the prompt into JSON format. ChatGPT then took that long prompt, shortened it, and converted it into a proper JSON prompt. I'll copy it with a single click. Then we'll head back to our website. Video generation is already selected. Now paste that prompt into the text box. After that, click here and choose your preferred aspect ratio. Then select your video quality. For now, I'll keep it at 1080p. Once everything is set, click directly on Generate. Your video will start generating. It usually takes around 1 to 1.5 minutes. And after that, you'll have an amazing video ready. Now, there are 3 different ways to download your video. Let me show you all 3, so if one doesn't work, you'll always have the other 2. The first method is to click on the 3 dots and then click Download. The second method is to click the download button right here. And the third method is to right-click, or press and hold if you're on mobile, and then click Download from there. Now let's see how our video turned out. Our first video came out really impressive. The water looks incredibly natural. Now, if you want to generate another video on the same platform, here's what you need to do. First, refresh the entire page. Then, paste your new prompt into the text box. Choose the aspect ratio and video quality again. You'll also notice that you can click here to enhance your prompt, but since our prompt is already well written, we'll skip that and click directly on Generate. After a short wait, your second video will be ready. You can download it using any of the 3 methods I showed you earlier. Now let's see how our second video turned out. Just like the first one, this video also came out really impressive. Now with our next method, you won't just be able to use VEO 3.1 for free, you'll also get access to Seedance too. But before we move on, guys, I regularly share free AI tools on this channel that can generate amazing videos, create stunning images, and much more. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which country you're watching from. I also share the latest AI tool updates and editing resources on my Telegram channel. You'll also find the official links to every tool featured in this video there, so you can jump straight to them from Telegram. Be sure to follow that as well. You'll find the link in the description. Now for our next tool, open Chrome and search for Gemini Gen AI. Click on the very first website, close any pop-ups that appear. Then you'll see an interface like this. Using VEO 3.1 here is actually very simple. First, paste your video prompt here. Then click here and select the fast model. After setting the remaining options, click on Generate. Now before the video can be generated, you'll need to create an account. Click on Sign Up, then choose Continue with Google and create an account using any Gmail address. Once that's done, you'll be back on the same page where we started. But this time we need to go into Studio. So click on Studio at the top. This is where we'll generate our video. Now pay close attention to the next steps. First, click here, then choose any model you want. You'll even find Omni Flash here. Now paste your prompt into the text box. If you scroll down a little, you'll notice that we have 10 credits. But the best part is, this video doesn't require even a single credit to generate. Even if I increase the video quality, it still costs 0 credits. Now that everything is set, click directly on Generate. It'll complete a quick human verification. Then your video will start generating. As you can see, it's generating now. And within a short time, you'll have another amazing video ready. To download it, simply click on the video. Then click on the 3 dots. After that, click Download. Sometimes the download doesn't work properly from here. If that happens, click on History at the top. You'll find your generated video there. Just click Download and you'll be able to save it without any issues. And it's not just VEO 3.1 that you can use here. There are plenty of other AI tools available for free as well. To see which ones are currently free, click on Status at the top. Every tool highlighted in green is available for free. One thing to keep in mind is that the list of free and paid tools changes every day. A tool that's free today might become paid tomorrow, and a paid tool you see today might become free the next day. Now to go back, click on Studio. Let me generate one more video for you from here. I've selected VEO 3.1 again. I've already pasted my prompt into the text box and adjusted all the settings. And yes, this video will also be generated with 0 credits. Now click directly on Generate. After a short wait, we'll download the video. And here's how the final result looks. This tool is honestly a great option for content creators. Now, the next AI tool I'm about to show you is something most people probably haven't even heard of. Open Chrome and search for Google Vids. Click on this website. You'll see a sign-up option. Click on it. Then create an account using any Gmail address. Once that's done, you'll land on this page. If you want, you can select VEO 3.1 from here as well. But for now, I'm going to close this. Now, if you look at the sidebar, you'll notice several powerful tools besides VEO 3.1, including image generation and a few other AI features. But we're here to use VEO 3.1. So select video. Now paste your video prompt into this text box. Then click directly on Generate. If you look below, you'll see that your video has already started generating, and within a short time, your video will be ready. Once you click on the video, it will open in a larger panel on the side. Now there are 2 ways to download it. Let me show you both. The first method is to click on Files at the top. Then click Download, and finally click MP4. Your video will start downloading. However, there's one issue with this method. Sometimes the downloaded file is only 5 seconds long and shows nothing but a white screen. If that happens, use the second method. Simply right-click on the video, or press and hold if you're on mobile. Then save the video directly to your device. Now let's see how our video turned out. If you want to generate a video from an image, here's how you do it. First, click here, then select Animate an image. Remove the previous prompt. Now paste your image animation prompt. Next, click here and choose the image you want to animate. Since this is a new account, it'll ask for a few permissions. Just allow them. Then click directly on Generate. Within a short time, your video will be ready. You can download it using the same method we used earlier. Now let's check the result. This video also turned out really well, just like the first one. One of the best things about this website is that it doesn't delete your previous videos. Instead, it saves all of them in your history, so you can access them anytime. Just like this, I generated another video using an image. Now, the next tool is actually my personal favorite, and I use it all the time for my own projects. But as amazing as the results are, it's also one of the trickiest tools to use. So make sure you follow every single step carefully. First, open Chrome and search for Opal by Google. Click on the very first website. Scroll down a little and you'll see Try Opal Now. Click on it, then click Try Opal. All the Gmail accounts on your device will pop up. Select any one of them to continue. To generate videos for free on this platform, you'll need to grant a few permissions. Just click Select All, then click Continue. Since this is Google's official website, there's nothing to worry about. You can safely allow the permissions. Once you're in, you'll notice that many people have already published their own tools on this platform, and you're free to use them. There's even a section for learning YouTube, but we're here to create our own video. So click Create New at the top. Now this is the slightly complicated page where we'll generate our video. First, click Generate. A small panel will open. Click on it. Then from the sidebar, click Agent and select VEO. Next, click here to choose your video's aspect ratio. Now paste your text-to-video prompt into the prompt box. At this point, you'll notice there's no Start button to generate the video. To make it appear, click Preview at the top. Now you'll see the Start button. As soon as you click it, your video will begin generating. Sometimes you might run into an error like this. That simply means the website is under heavy traffic. So if you want a smoother experience, it's better to generate videos late at night. If you're getting the same issue, just click Refresh. The Start button will appear again. Click it once more. After 1 or 2 tries, your video should start generating successfully. Once it's ready, click the 3 dots, then click Download to save it. Now let's see how the result turned out. So that's how you generate videos from text. But what if you want to turn an image into a video on this platform?
Here's how.
First, select the user input panel, then adjust both panels like this. After that, connect the user input panel to the generate panel like this. Now click on the user input panel, then click here on the side. Since we want to animate an image, select image from here. Whatever you want to generate, just choose that option here. Next, click on the generate panel. Now remove the previous prompt and paste your new image to video prompt into the prompt box. Once that's done, click directly on preview. You might be wondering where you're supposed to upload the image. Don't worry, you'll see that in just a moment. Before that, there's one important thing you need to watch out for. Sometimes after clicking preview, the connection between these two panels gets disconnected, so always check that they're still connected. If the connection breaks, simply reconnect them like this. Now you'll notice that the start button isn't showing. That's because the previously generated video is still loaded here. To bring back the start button, simply click refresh. Now the start button will appear. As soon as you click start, you'll see a plus icon. Click on it to upload the image you want to animate. Once everything is set, click here to continue. Within a short time, your video will start generating. When it's ready, just click the 3 dots, then click download to save it. Now let's see how our image to video result turned out. The videos generated from this platform are honestly really impressive. And with a single Gmail account, you can generate around 8 to 10 videos every day. Now the next tool I'm about to show you includes a feature that, until now, you could only find in Veo AI, first frame and last frame. But this isn't Veo AI. For this one, head over to the Play Store and download this application. After opening it, tap on Type to create at the bottom. To use VEO 3.1 here, you'll first need to create an account. You can either sign up with your Google account or with a Gmail address. We'll use Gmail. So tap here, and it'll take you to this website. From here, copy a Gmail address, then go back to the app and paste it. Tap Continue. The app will send an OTP to that Gmail address. Go back to your inbox, scroll down a little, and you'll find the OTP. Copy it. Return to the app, paste the code, and continue. Your account is now ready. To generate a video, tap Type to create again, then select Video. When you tap here, you'll see that besides VEO 3.1, you also have access to several other video generation models, including Seedance. For now, we're focusing on VEO 3.1. Select it, then tap here and paste your JSON prompt. After that, tap the right arrow. If you're generating a text to video, you can simply slide this to start the generation. I'm not going to do that right now. Instead, you can upload your first frame image here, and your last frame image here. Then open additional settings. Choose your preferred aspect ratio. Select the video length you want. If you'd like even better results, you can also paste a negative prompt. Once everything is set, slide this to begin generating your video. Within a short time, your video will be ready. To download it, click the 3 dots, then tap download and your video will be saved. This video is also amazing, just like the previous one. And by using all these methods, you can generate lots of videos for free with VEO 3.1. In the next video, I'll show you 3 ways to use Seedance 2 for free. So comment yes for that. And if you want to create long videos using VEO 3.1 with proper character consistency, then this video is just for you, so make sure to watch it. Thank you for watching this video.